and I'm not really sure what the deal is with this.
It seems ridiculous, but this is where we're at. Those stones are creating some edges that got our lawyers a little nervous. I don't know why the lawyers are making us do this, but you gotta sign it.
Yeah, sorry, screw that. I'm not signing a waiver. It can't be that dangerous. Like why would I need to sign a waiver? Last year, Worksharp reached out and asked me to send them a knife that I wanted sharpened. And I have many, many nice knives that I've ruined the edge on, so it was a pretty easy decision. I had to send them this. I have a customized PDW Inkosi that I absolutely ruined the bevel on. So I sent it in, and it just came in, and it is really nice. There's a really nice mirror edge on it. It is scary sharp, but it also came with this. This was also on there, and I'm not really sure what the deal is with this. Probably has something to do with the video that Worksharp sent a few weeks ago.
Wait, so you're telling us that we can't sell the sharpener?
That's right. It's too dangerous. Look, based on what you've shown me, you've never made anything quite like this. Maybe if we can get customers to sign a waiver.
For like every one of them?
But you're telling
Then don't sell it.
Not gonna happen.
So there's an embargo saying we can't talk about this thing to us until a certain date, but that's dumb. But also this, a general liability waiver for professional precision adjust elite usage. I really don't feel like reading all this. We should probably call Kyle. Hey, so I just got this box in, and it came obviously locked up, and with this, a form, a waiver.
Yeah, I know. It seems ridiculous, but this is where we're at. Those stones are creating some edges that got our lawyers a little nervous about the edges they were making, and they forced us to send out a waiver to be signed before you can use it. Come on,
yeah,
man.
Sorry, screw that. I'm not signing a waiver. It can't be that dangerous. Like why would I need to sign a waiver? That's dumb. Let's just get in the box. So we have a sharpener here, not necessarily a totally new sharpener from Worksharp, but a new package. As a whole, this is new. This is the Professional Precision Adjust, which you guys saw last year or the year before, but this is the elite version of that. It comes with this really nice sturdy case that's dust-proof, waterproof, drop-proof. It's really sturdy. It doesn't feel like a Pelican case, but it's very, very strong. You've got these nice latches up here, and inside, laser cut foam. Thank you. The very first thing I said to Worksharp when they came out with the Pro Precision Adjust was, when can I get a case for this thing? And they said, soon. And then like 2 years later, here we are. I had, for the original Precision Adjust, not the Pro, I had a Pelican for that one with cut foam and everything. When the Pro Precision Adjust came out, I gave away that old sharpener, and then I never set up another Pelican. This is how the Professional Precision Adjust comes. You have, I know it's, dude, I'm gonna trip up on it. I'm gonna trip on it on the whole time. This is how the original one shipped. You have the base, and then you have this box with all your plates and everything else in it, the clamp, the angle guide. This is how the original one shipped, which is a really nice contrast to show you where it was and now where the Elite is. So you get all the same stuff, right? All these same plates, but you also get additional plates. These are resin bonded diamond plates, as well as a strop. You get some compound, your digital angle guide. This is a clamp support, and your slide. I guess, what do they call this? Abrasive handle and sharpening rod. Now, there is an empty spot here, which is important. This says universal abrasive handle. So what this means, it's optional accessory. It doesn't come in here, but you can purchase a handle which will work with all or third-party aftermarket stones. So if you don't necessarily love these stones, you can get this accessory and use whatever stones you want with this system, which is very cool. It doesn't come in the Elite, but there is a slot for it. So if you buy it, you have somewhere to put it. And then underneath that, we have the same thing we looked at just before. So we can get all of this out of here. Honestly, this right here is amazing. Being able to store your sharpener in a place that, like a case that you can carry around, is really nice. It's been a while since I put one of these together. I've been using the Kin Onion Mark II. I might have to take the base from my other one though.
Why? Oh.
Yeah, it's got a
Fancy.
nice little place. You know.
And I'm gonna turn this video into bearded guy puts together sharpener at home alone 4K
This is honestly a little silly, but they also include this. I don't know if this will be everything, or with everything, but I like this. 3 stickers. It says 1 for your truck, 1 for your toolbox, and 1 for wherever you sharpen. That's kind of cool. Like just, I don't know. I saw it a second ago.
It's really weird. They should have put one for me, but it's all right, workshop.
Well, not everybody has a Ricky. I think the organization here can't be understated. I love having a setup like this with my sharpening. Like I said, I did this with the original Precision Adjust sharpener with it wasn't a Pelican, it was actually an Apache case with pluck foam. And it was cool having it like kind of organized, but this right here is really nice, especially having everything indicated where it should go. Everything has its place. I really like that. So as I was saying, these plates right here are the same that you would get with the Pro Precision Adjust. You have 220, 320, 400, 600, 800, and your hone, which is a ceramic. Those work exactly as they did before. What we have that's new are these 1200, 2000, and 3000 grit nice. What's new is 1200, 2000, and 3000 grits and a strop. So it comes with a strop. It's actually smooth out, not rough out, and there is honing compound, but they don't put it on here to start, so you can put your own. You can put a diamond compound on there if you really want to. If you really want to get super nerdy about sharpening, and that's who this is for, right? I'm more of a 600 grit, hit it with a ceramic and a strop and move on with my day. But there are some people who really like, Neves and other people who really like that mirror finish edge and get super nerdy about sharpening. Outdoors 55 is another guy who really focuses on sharpening. I don't get too nerdy about it because I just can't. However, what these 3 plates here do, these are resin bonded diamond plates. So a standard diamond plate like this one right here, this is an 800. This is a nickel encapsulated or a nickel plated diamond plate. And once you get into finer grits, the nickel can't actually hold on to the really fine particles. So what they have to do is resin bonded. And what that means is the diamond particles are actually infused into the resin. So this will slowly wear away as you use this stone. So the more you use it, the more it will wear. It will be slow, but because it's completely infused with diamonds, as it wears away, the diamonds are like new grit is going to be exposed and it's going to stay consistent and even all the way through that plate. So it will eventually have to be replaced just like any diamond plate. But rather than it wearing out inconsistently as you get lower and lower into that grit, it's just going to expose new grit and have a better consistency over time. So you have that in both, or in 1200, 2000, and 3000 grit, which are getting pretty up there. And then of course you have your strop. So this is the big new addition. The case is really cool. More for me, I really like having the case. But for people who get nerdy and really want to sharpen their knives the right way and get a mirror finish on your edge, these 3 things are the big selling points of the Elite Pro Precision Adjust or Pro Precision Adjust Elite. So, and for any of you who have not used this system at all, these plates just come out. There's a magnet on your abrasive handle and sharpening rod, and there are some alignment nubs. I don't know what you'd call them. So it just snaps on there, and just like before, you can sharpen this way or this way. Your knife is going to be clamped in. And this is probably, with these plates, going to be the best bang for your buck with this kind of plate out there, especially with the case included. This is awesome. Now this is a professional Precision Adjust Elite. So that's a lot of like big words that say this is more than just a entry-level consumer sharpening system. This is getting a little more serious. So the price tag with that is going to reflect that. But we sent in a couple of knives. Let's take a look at those. Worksharp used these to sharpen and fix my Inkosi. This is a PDW Inkosi, and what happened is I was actually sharpening this on another fixed angle system, and I had a jam screw. There was a micro adjustment. I had a jam screw run out, and one side stayed at 20 degrees. The other side went to probably about 16. And I didn't feel like starting over and laying this whole thing back to like 16 degrees to fix it. So when they asked me to send a knife in, I said, perfect, thank you. You can fix my mess up. And they did. It's got an even bevel on both sides. It is mirror polished and it is super sharp. It's way sharper than I get my knives normally. because again, I'm a 600 grit and move on with my day kind of guy. The true test of sharpness, this is kind of thick paper, but the true test is if you can like kind of swoop through your cuts. And this thing is until I'm getting there. I'd say it's pretty sharp though. This is more me and technique than it is a reflection of the knife. And then Ricky sent in this buck 110. What was wrong with this buck?
It was my dad's, and I tried sharpening it a few times myself and never got it right. So since it's so sentimental, I was afraid of ruining it.
I think this one's sharper than that.
Yeah, I bet.
Kyle just likes you more. As I probably titled this video, I said I'm in big trouble with worksharp. There's actually an embargo on this sharpener for January 20th. It's not January 20th when you're watching this, but on January 20th, they are going to announce this, and you can get a pre-order in for one of these, and they are expected to ship around February 3rd. So the pre-orders open on Monday, January 20th, and then they will ship shortly thereafter. So they will be available very, very soon. And again, this is the Professional Precision Adjust Elite from Worksharp.
If you say that 5 times fast, I heard Josh and Kyle just show up and sharpen your
Professional Precision Adjust Elite, Professional Precision Adjust Elite, Professional Precision Adjust Elite, Professional Precision... Nope,
Oh,
can't do it.
Sorry, boys, you're not throwing out.
Damn, I tried. So everything goes back into its place. Oh, we're gonna swap out that base. Let's not forget that.
Oh, yeah, you gotta get your fancy one. Worksharp, can I get one that says Captain Daddy?
No,
Please.
no.
Please, Worksharp.
Absolutely not. Don't do that for him. That's it for now. Please check these out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. It probably won't be available until they're actually live, but that's what we get for breaking an embargo. Anyway, go check them out when they are available. And once again, I want to thank Worksharp for being a channel sponsor, and also happy 2025. We took a few weeks off. It feels good to be back, but 2025 for this channel is going to be very different. I don't say that to scare you guys, but I'm very excited for what we're about to do. And I think you guys are going to like it. It's going to be a fun journey. I can't say anything else, but we will be back again very soon with some really cool and fresh content. I will see you guys then. Until then, carry on.